right behind the bridge, on the same side of the sidewalk, just behind the bridge. If you guys were to remain seated, keep all objects on the road, especially your phones, keep them inside the road. There's no smoking of any kind permitted during the tour, and the average depth of the river is only 3 to 4 feet deep. If you find yourself inside this river for some strange reason, please do not panic at all. If you can, try to calmly stand up and try to walk out first, okay? We do offer 2 life jackets throughout the last year. One is for me, obviously, right? And then one for the next highest bidder, which is really up to you guys. With all horrible jokes aside, fair warning, they get a lot worse. But you guys are actually floating on a natural flowing river. So San Antonio is the 7th largest city in the United States. For being such a large city, we have no sky. Go ahead, check us. So we have just entered inside the historic River Square. What makes the area so historic is most of the buildings to my left-hand side, they're upstairs. So they excavated this area. Before they cut this canal out of the earth, right now, we would be in the basement of the JCPenney department store. It was right here. So they excavated the area. They added the Chamber of Commerce. They added vegetation, and they allowed the San Antonio River to run into the canal all together for a while. But after that, it's sunglasses and cell phones. There's cameras in here. There's car keys, engagement rings. Wait, Legoland. That's where the dealers used to be. I guess they're adding more attractions for the kids for the tricentennial. Because most of the activities are for, I guess, kind of for